Dear students, today we are discussing the area calculation of cost of preference capital. As mentioned in the case of debt capital, preference capital also may be of two types: redeemable, irredeemable. The cost is calculated by considering whether the preference shares are redeemable or irredeemable. Firstly, we are mentioning the cost of irredeemable preference capital. Here the preference capital is not redeemed, so we need not consider the maturity value, redemption value, number of years taken, etc. Simple equation is used to calculate KPR. KPR, cost of preference capital, is equal to D divided by P into 100. Dividend divided by principal into 100. Dividend divided by NP, net proceeds into 100. NP here we know. NP means principal value plus premium മൈനസ് ഡിസ്കൗണ്ട് മൈനസ് ഇഷ്യൂ എക്സ്പെൻസസ്. എൻ പി കൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ കയ്യിൽ എത്ര പൈസ ആ സെക്യൂരിറ്റി ഇഷ്യൂ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ കിട്ടും എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. Then another equation KPR is equal to D divided by MP into 100. MP here is market price. So all the equations are similar to that of debt capital. Okay, then we are going through an example. A company has 10% preference shares with market price 200. Calculate KPR. Here KPR is equal to D divided by MP. It is not I, it is D divided by MP into 100. So dividend is 10%. So 10% of 200 is 20. 20 divided by 200 into 100, that is 10%. Then another equation, another example. A company issued 12% preference shares of 100 each at a discount of 5 each. Issue expense amount to rupees 5 per share. Find KPR. Here KPR is equal to D divided by NP because discount, issue expenses, etc. are given. So dividend here is 12%, that is rupees 12. NP here is 100 minus discount 5 minus issue expense 5, that is 90. So 12 divided by 90 into 100, that is 13.33%. So D is 12, NP is 90, so 13.33%. Here we do not calculate separate rates for after tax, before tax, etc. Simply we calculate KPR. Then another example. P Limited issued 16% preference shares of 1000 each at a discount of 20 each. Calculate KPR. It is very simple to calculate because interest is 16% of 1000, that is 160. The net proceeds is 1000 minus 20%, balance 800. So you calculate the value and post the answer as the comment for our Google class. Okay. The next, if it is redeemable, cost of redeemable preference share capital is calculated by considering the redemption value, maturity value, the number of years taken for redemption, etc. So the equation is D plus 1 by n into mv minus np all divided by 1 by 2 into mv plus np into 100. Here we are considering two elements. First one D, dividend. The other factor 1 by n into mv minus np is equal to amount of loss per year, because mv minus np means redemption value minus net proceeds, means the loss amount to the company due to the issue, and into 1 by n, that means divided by n, number of years on divide the loss per year. So loss per year plus dividend divided by average price. Okay, 1 by 2 into mv plus np means average price. This is how we calculate the cost of preference capital. D plus 1 by n into mv minus np all divided by 1 by 2 into mv plus np into 100. mv maturity value, that means redemption value. Net proceeds means the amount collected. Okay, then we are going through an example. N Limited issued 10% preference shares of 100 each at a discount of 20, redeemable after 5 years. Okay, here D is 10% of 100, that is rupees 10, plus 1 by n, n means number of years, that is redeemable after 5 years. So 1 by 5 into redemption value. It is not mentioned here, so we consider the principal value as the redemption value. So 100 is taken, 100 minus net proceeds is 100 minus 20, 80, okay, divided by 1 by 2 into 100 plus 80, that means 10 plus 1 by 5 into 20 is equal to 4, 10 plus 4 all divided by 90, 14 by 90 is equal to 15.55 percentage. Okay, I am giving you one more example. K Limited issued 10 percentage preference shares of 1000 each at a premium of 20 percentage, redeemable after 10 years with maturity value 900. Find KPR. Okay, here D is 10 percentage of 1000, that means 100, plus 1 by n here is 10 years, so 1 by 10 into RV, maturity value here is 900, minus NP, net proceeds. Okay, net proceeds is 20 percentage. Okay, 20 percentage all divided by 1 by 2 into MV plus NP. Okay, here there is a confusion because the premium value is, the issue price is higher than the maturity value, so there may come a negative value. You look at the answer correctly and solve the problem. Post the answer as the comment for our Google Classroom. If you have any queries, please text me. Okay, thank you.